Laundry room flooded? Don't freak out. Your washing machine is probably leaking from one of 5 common culprits. We're going to show you how to find the source and maybe even fix it yourself. Check your hoses, drain pump, door seal, water inlet valve, and even the tub seal. We'll show you what to look for, quick fixes, and when to call a professional. Is your washing machine leaking from the bottom? Maybe it's a front-load washer leaking? It could be a simple fix. Don't let a small leak turn into a big problem. If you're in Vancouver and need help, call Vancouver Appliance Service Pros.